The best place to get this beaver is going to be right here in this pond. He's got a lot of food storage down here. He's got a dam right here, and you can see there's a crossover right there. It's even got some broken ice in it. And he's been crossing over right there to the next pond so that he can keep the dam maintained over there. But he's living over here. That's why the food is stored over here. He's got a bank down somewhere over here probably. So if we can get down in there and get a 330 in that and break that dam out so he's got to come try to repair it, we're going to get him for sure. Problem is, you got a sheer bank all the way around this thing. So I got to figure out how to get down there to get a 330 in there. And once we break a good hole in this dam, we got water flowing out of this pond. He's got his food in. He's gonna come repair this. And this is where we're gonna get him, right here. All right, so we put a 330 in right there. The water's already dropped a little bit below the top of the trap. But it's right in that broken ice area, right where I broke that dam out. The beaver will probably be in that thing within the next couple hours. Okay, so here's that dam out here where we set that dam break. And that dam break with that Canterbury was right there. And that beaver was laying right there with that 330 right around his head.